Hi everybody, just want to show you all this website for people who want to hedge themselves against the current economic difficulties we're having by buying physical gold and physical silver. Now this website takes out all the risk for you. They store the physical gold and silver for you in vaults which are audited daily, and they also do deliveries for large orders of gold and silver. So if you do buy big bars, they can actually send it out to you. So what you can do is, I'm just going to show you this little presentation for the step by step, just give you a rundown of how it works. Open an account using the referral link in the description. Open an account, it takes less than a minute, and you can also, they entice you in by giving you a free gold gram or a free ounce of silver. So they basically give you a free precious metal just to get you started. Then if you want to decide to buy more, you can deposit funds. You deposit funds into a bank account which is linked to this account, and then it appears in your login, and then you can go into the open market, buy the gold and silver, and then they store it for you. Now the way it works is that they charge you a commission of a certain percentage. I can't remember exactly what it is. I think it's 0.1% commission per trade, and then it's 0.4% charged yearly for storing it. So 0.4% is not a lot really, and that's basically how they make money on it. But there is no premiums. Everything you do is traded at the spot price. They store it securely for you in vaults in Zurich, London or New York based on your bias. So if you think all gold possibly could be confiscated in New York, you could then decide to put it in London or Zurich. Once you've made enough money from precious metal rising, hopefully, you can then sell it, and then when you sell, you can withdraw your money the next day and have it in your bank account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you quickly how to open an account. Simply just fill in this information, pick a username, email address that you want to be linked with it. Now you have to pick these carefully because these are linked to your account from the start. So Joe Blogs, I'm just going to pick my username as 3423. Put a random email address. And how you found BullionVault. Probably my blog. Agree with the terms and conditions, and as soon as you press submit, it will give you a risk-free gram of gold to get you started. So that's pretty awesome if you just open an account with it and click submit. Thank you, your account is now open. That's literally it. You have an account with BullionVault, and you now, if you would go into your account, you should now have a free gram of gold, which is pretty good. Free gram of gold worth $50. So you've now got a free gram of gold with BullionVault. Should you decide to go further and actually buy some gold or silver in BullionVault, what you do is go to validation. And what they do is they helpfully pick the forms for you. So if you're in UK, US or Europe, just pick whichever one you want, and then they require a certain amount of information. So what you do is you scan a photo card ID into your printer and upload it using this helpful browse. Then do the same for a bank statement. Now they don't use this information to withdraw funds from your bank. This is just to link your bank account with this account securely, so that basically whenever someone, if someone managed to get your login information and sell your gold and silver and try and withdraw it to another account, they can't, because this account has been linked to a bank account from the word go, and I don't think you can change it very easily. So basically you're very the risk is not too great in terms of hacking. You know, you possibly will make a loss if someone gets in, but that's not unlikely. That's not likely to happen. Also, what they do is they send you an email every time you have logged into your account. So, say for example you log in on a Tuesday, you'll get an instant email on Tuesday saying that you've logged in, And obviously if you receive an email when you didn't log in or weren't aware that you logged in, then you can raise it up with BullionVault and do it that way. So that's their fail-safe way of making sure that you're safe online. And also you can see it is encrypted, verified by GoDaddy. Is encrypted to prevent eavesdropping. So once you've done that, you can then go to the deposit, and somewhere down here it should say your bank account that it's linked to. So basically, how do you want to make your bank transfer? I do this way, but online banking, it seems to be the simplest and quickest way to do it. And then once you've got all of the money you want into BullionVault, it should come into your balance as cash or currency. So excuse me, as you can see, currency there is the $3.81, and that is basically available for you to go into the markets and buy some gold or silver. So click this side is click to buy, this side is click to sell. So for example, if you want to buy some gold in London, simply click that, and these are the offers from people in BullionVault. So you would pick buy, bid, and confirm. Also, if you do not have any money in it, insufficient cash, available cash, so you will not be able to buy any gold or silver if you don't have any cash in this account. So you will not end up owing BullionVault for anything you buy accidentally or anything like that. Also, they have a nice chart for you to see the latest prices, and you can check out latest trends for if you're a bit more into technical analysis of the precious metals markets. You can look at that, and you can also do a very clever thing, which is export the latest for example spot price of silver for the year, and you can open it as an Excel file. So this is all the prices over the last year of the price of silver, so you can do more technical analysis to see how it's going, which is quite helpful. So that's basically it. Once you've done all that, all you do is go to the markets again, see what people are offering. So if you want to sell, these people are willing buyers, and this is what they're offering. So they'll buy £619 worth of silver. No, that's the per kilo price. Sorry, so £619 per kilo, and they want to buy one kilogram, and that 958 grams. You simply click that and then seller offer, which will then again have currency in your account in terms of dollars or euros or pounds, and that's it. You've basically done that. But if it's not, I wouldn't do this in terms of short-term trading. I'd do this in terms of the long-term trading, because every time you trade, BullionVault gets a certain amount of commission. So if you're willing to wait it out and see the long-term trend of the precious metal, you're probably going to be better off than trying to trade short-term. So again, the link's in the description if you want to join BullionVault by referral from myself, and hopefully you will hedge against the very likely economic crisis that's coming about in Europe and both the US, pretty much all over the world. So I hope this has been helpful, and if you've got any questions, just pop an email to this account, or you can read the frequently asked questions section in BullionVault, which basically goes through every single aspect of the company and how it operates. Also, just in case you're a bit apprehensive of doing this, you can go to live chat with BullionVault, and they will get back to you and hopefully answer any questions. At the moment it's offline, but they normally operate in the day, so obviously they won't be operating now. But yeah, that's basically it. If you've got any questions, just give me a shout. Okay, thanks.